Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Bluetooth and Devices. Following that, click on Bluetooth at the top and click on the gray sweater at the top right corner if it's not already on. Now just click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!